Greetings everybody getting started in AP Chemistry for Georgia Virtual School. I wanted to take a moment to walk you through where you will find the information to be successful in your Georgia Virtual assignments. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll see Home, Announcements, and Modules. You need to click on Modules, and there you'll see your Getting Started, Live Learning, GaVS Welcome, eText Link, and your material for your first assignments are found in the Atomic Theory module. So when you're in here, you see that there are blue things that say complete pages 1 through 4, complete page 5, and there are other items with other icons that say project, discussion, lab, quiz, practice problems, and theory test. All right, you need to start by clicking on complete pages 1 through 4. That will take you to the information in the modules. You see it starts with atomic theory, and you see that there are essential questions, and you also see that there's pages 1 through 11 that you need to navigate through. I'm sorry it's cut out, but I couldn't fix it right away. But on this side in the gray box are handouts and links. As you read, some things will be on autoplay, and you'll also find at the bottom a navigation to the next page. You can click on that. Now you can see you're on page 2. You can also navigate here to the next page after you read about classification of matter. Dalton's atomic theory on page 3. And that brings you to page 4. Your first assignment is right here, creating a timeline. Do you see your task? Create a visual and informative timeline. There's no rubric for you to search for. All the criteria are here. It mentions citations, it mentions platform, it mentions the experiment and the significant model outcomes. It mentions your visual aspects as well as your textual inclusions. You'll continue reading. Some of the information might be helpful on this very page. When you get halfway down, you'll watch the following video to review subatomic particles, and that video is missing. You'll find many broken videos because of the age of the course and the transitory nature of many of the videos. Many of these need to be updated. Some have been, but at this time I'm unaware of what the guidelines are for videos I can embed in here. So I have made an announcement to you giving links to replace these. When you've completed your atomic theory project, contributions to atomic theory, and you're ready to turn it in, that's when you'll click on this link, and this will navigate to the place that you'll upload your PDF or document. This will help you navigate to the discussion, and the discussion is outlined there on the mass spectrometry and natural abundance of isotopes. You need to make sure you read page 5 because that's where you'll find the link to the virtual lab. This is where you hand the lab in. Page 5 is where you find the lab assignment. And continuing through each of these modules. Please remember, on page 1 of your module, you'll find your atomic theory practice problems. They'll be handed in just before your test, but you need to work on them at this time and work on them as you move through each page, reading and understanding the content of the modules. So the early questions, you'll find information to help you on the early pages 1, 2, and 3. The middle questions, you'll find information to help you on the middle pages. And the final material will usually be incorporated in the final questions. So this is an ongoing assignment, and you need to check your due date and be working on it because it will take much longer than any other assignment that's being made. I'm sorry this got kind of long, but I hope that helped you navigate through Georgia Virtual AP Chemistry.